Okay, so today while it's cool, I'm gonna put up a couple of these soffits up here. Got to get that in. It's working over my head. What I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna use my air brad nailer and brad tack these up because I'm a one-man show, and then I'll come back with roofing nails and put them up underneath there. Anyway, we'll see how that goes. Okay, well, I got the first one up. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and just like it was before, I'm gonna caulk these edges here. I've been caulking the vents up there. God, it's hard to see with the sun, but anyway, yeah, I cut the vents and been putting in some caulk. So anyway, 4 more to go. Well, I got the second one in. That's it for me today. I'll do a couple more tomorrow. It's 80 degrees and this is working over my head, working on my back and my shoulders. I been cleaning up this mess out here from the flood. Got to get the weed eater and weed eat this, and I'll wait till it cools down some. Then I got to mow the lawn and all kinds of glass and rocks here. Well, there we go. I've got the soffit all installed. What a pain in my butt, and thank God for my brad nailer. I've got to get some smaller roofing nails where I'll attach it better. Problem was my roofing nails were 2 inches long. I was looking for some of this channel, don't know what you call it, T-channel or whatever, and I wanted to use it up here in the seams, but unfortunately I can't find any of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get me some flashing like this here. Without, this is a drip edge, still needs to go up, but I'm going to get me some straight flashing, cut some pieces, I'll silicone it and put it up in there. But there you go. Kick my butt, working over my head just does it for me. But I got a few little spots in here where I got to put some foam. We'll put some foam in there, but all in all, that's done. Now we can start looking at the well.